Shopify stores live and die by one thing: how good your product looks. Not your price, not your reviews, your visuals. Here's how the fastest growing Shopify brands are producing theirs right now. Okay, so here we are on InVideo and we're on the dashboard right now. I'm going to show you through the advertising studio. Now, this advertising studio, what it does, it executes that entire creative vision in one automated pass. And so it's delivering this fully realized multi-format campaign from just one initial photo. That's it, just one photo. So we're going to be concentrating today on catalog photography, and we're going to be looking at the hero shot and the other preset, the mock-up generator. Now with the catalog photography, you would use that for like your product page, and the hero shot would be used for your home page, and then the mock-up would be used for like the collection page. Right, now what we'll do is, so catalog photography, first of all we're going to log it into InVideo, and then you'll go to your agents. We'll go back here, we'll show you the full walkthrough. So you'll go to, you click onto you log in, you click onto your agents and models. Once you get through to your agents and models, you go to your advertising studio, and then you click the preset that you're going to be starting your campaign on, which is your catalog and photography. Once we're on catalog and photography, you can create your new project. I've started a project here right away, which is this one here. I've called it the candle. Right, now, once you've logged in here and you've come to the agents, you come to the advertising studio, right? This is where we're going to take this one Spotify product through 3 different presets. This is where it all begins. So we come through to this dashboard. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to upload a photo. So we upload this photo of a candle. There we have it. Then what we've got to do, we need to input our brief. So we get our brief, which is right here, copy, and we paste this in. Paste. So a lifestyle product shot for a hand-poured coconut wax candle in an amber glass jar, styled on a raw oak surface, soft afternoon light, small ceramic dish, and dried herbs beside it. Warm, artisan, premium home fragrance feel. I can smell it already. All right, once that is in, we're going to click generate, and it will generate this first catalog photograph for us. Right, so the point of this is that this creative director agent produces this complete cohesive visual identity for a Shopify store from one product. Once we've got this in here, we will click the generate, and it's going to take a few moments now to generate this photo. 3 completely different visuals, 1 product photo, 1 agent. Every preset and advertising studio is completely free right now. Completely free right now on InVideo. Link is in the description below. If you're running a Shopify store, go brief the creative director agent on your hero product and see what your storefront could look like. So while it's doing that, we're just going to talk about, why this visual consistency is a Shopify conversion problem. Like most Shopify stores, they have this inconsistent product imagery, like some shots from a phone, some from a supplier, some from a one-off shoot, and it sort of kills the trust. The creative director agent produces visuals in a consistent creative direction because it's working from the same brief across every preset. So brief it on your brand world once. It maintains that visual identity across catalog shots, hero images, and mock-ups. It's consistent. Premium imagery is one of the highest leverage conversion improvements any Shopify store can make. Right, so there we have it. This is the first image created straight away. Look at that. That's pretty cool, actually. Look at that. So it's kind of edited it, got the background, got everything that we wanted with that brief, and it's also added a human into there as well. So all we need to do now, once we've created that catalog photograph, we go to the next trend preset, which will be, so we click back onto the trend preset, we go to the advertising studio, And now what I think we're going to do now, we will use the hero shot. So we click on the hero shot and then we get our prompt again. So we create a different prompt now within the hero shot preset. So campaign hero shoot for the same candle, homepage hero seduction, and we'll click generate. And again, we'll start to generate this image from this brief. So then you've got the product page catalog shot and this lifestyle context, this aspirational environment, and it justifies the price point. And then we've got the collection page mockup. You've got this clean, consistent, professional grid that builds browsing confidence. So then the creative director agent produces all three from the same product photo and your entire storefront visual identity in one session. So while this hero shot is completing, what we'll do is we will open up another preset. We'll go back to the advertising studio and we will click on the mockup generator. We'll have the mockup generator and we'll have our prompt for the mockup generator for the Shopify candle brand. And we'll pop that in right there. So again, we open up the same one, paste in, and this time it's a clean collection page mockup for the candle. Flat lay on a white marble surface, soft natural light, minimal styling, ready for Shopify collection grid. So we'll click that and we'll click generate. And there we have it. Oh, it's pretty cool, actually. This is the video for the hero shot, the dramatic candle hero shot. That looks pretty sweet. And it's took that all from that one photo that I uploaded before and looks pretty sweet. Next, what we'll do, we'll go back to our trends and we'll go to the advertising studio and then we'll go to our final preset, which is the mockup generator. So we've got the mockup generator. We'll have to upload cut. What we'll do, we've got the mockup generator, and what we'll do, we'll input our prompt again, our new prompt for the mockup generator. We copy, we add this in, we'll paste this in again. So we'll have the three side by side once finished. So this is the clean collection page mockup for the candle. Flat lay on a white marble surface, soft natural light, minimal styling, ready for Shopify collection grid. And we will click generate. Let's just upload that photo once again. Okay, it's uploaded and we'll generate. Now it'll just take a few moments to create that image. So with the traditional Shopify visual production, you've got the photography, you've got the stylist, the location or the studio and the post-production. It easily costs around about $500 to $2,000 per product per shoot. And there we have it. Really nice collection page for that candle. So what we're doing here with this sort of demo, it will show you the same product photo producing the homepage for the hero, the product page for the catalog shot, and then you've got this collection mock-up, and then place each of this output into a Shopify store layout so everyone and all your viewers can see exactly how it would look. And this advertising studio is particularly valuable for Shopify brands because it's doing the seasonal campaigns. So you'll have this brief and you can have this new thematic with the direction and all of your existing products, and you can refresh your entire storefront without a new shoot. So the advertising studio is particularly valuable for Shopify brands doing seasonal campaigns. You have a brief new thematic direction for your existing products and you refresh it all with your entire storefront without a new brand. So the advertising studio is particularly valuable for Shopify brands doing seasonal campaigns. Brief a new thematic direction for your existing products and refresh your entire storefront without a new shoot. If your Shopify store doesn't look as premium as your product deserves, Advertising Studio will change that today. It's completely free on InVideo right now. Link is in the description. And if you're scaling a full product catalog, their pay plans give you the models and creative limits to match your ambitions. Remember, click the link in the description below. hit the like button and don't forget to tap subscribe.